MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. Before you register with any brokers, make sure you check the Forex brokers out. You can easily get more information about any brokers before you register with them. Just Google their name, type in their name and put scam in front of their names, and you will see many information concerning that particular Forex brokers. Please make sure that you register with a regulated Forex brokers. If they are not regulated, look for another one. Do not be scammed. Look for another regulated Forex brokers in your area or zone. Please do not trade with any broker that is not regulated or registered in your zone. If not, you will not be able to withdraw your hard-earned money after you make money. There is no need of wasting your time trading or practicing on any Forex brokers that is not registered. Do not put in your effort and time while you know that they are not registered. Before you take any trade, do check Forex Factory or other news aggregator so that you will know if there's any fundamental that's going to affect your analysis at the end of the day. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. On my video, in my tutorial this morning, I would like to show you these simple tools. I've combined only two indicators together to come up with this winning Forex trading strategy. This is good for support and resistance trading, and that's why I combine these two indicators together so that we'll be able to maximize your profit. You know where the market is likely to turn. It will increase your winning rate and reduce your risk. Now I'm on Great Britain pounds USD. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade. It can be used on cryptocurrencies like BTC USD. You can use it on that. You can use it on ETH USD. Any crypto pairs that you want to trade, it can be used on meme. It can be used on Litecoin. It can be used on Ethereum, Doji, and the likes. Just make sure you check them out. If they are available on your MT4, then you can trade it. There are other things you can use this thing for. You can use this on Forex pairs like a Euro USD, Great Britain pounds USD, USD JPY, Great Britain pounds CAG, and this can be used on metal like gold, platinum, silver, and the rest. This can be used to trade stock like Amazon stocks, Tesla stock, Google stocks, and the likes, and can use this on indices like US 30, Nasdaq, that is US 100, US 500, and the likes. So this is how to use this, and you can use it on any pairs you want to trade. Just make sure you are trading on regulated Forex brokers, either MT4 or MT5, but this strategy is for MT4. Now let us go on how to use these particular indicators that I've combined together. Here is a support and a resistance zone indicator. We have this resistance zone here, and we have a support zone here. Then we have this arrow, this yellow arrow, and we have the PTL indicator. This PTL indicator does not repaint or recalculate when the candle close, so it is advisable that you allow this the candle to close. Anytime you see PTL indicator, allow the candle to close before you place your trade. The other indicator might recalculate. You might not call this recalculate because this is support and resistance zone. If one zone is broken, then it may move to the next zone that we may likely have either a retracement, a pullback, or a reversal. It will change this support and the resistance indicator. Now, how do you now maximize this indicator or this strategy for MT4? The first thing you have to look out for is this support and resistance zone. When you have the zone, then look out for the yellow indicator, this yellow arrow, and followed by PT indicator. We have a red circle here. Then you can place your trade, allow the candle to close, and enter at the next candle. This will allow you to win more trade than only using the support and resistance zone indicator. At this particular zone here, we have a buy signal around this point. This is a support zone. We have the yellow arrow followed by PTL ball, this indicator, and as you can see, the market moves in our direction. This was a valid signal, and here we have a set signal also. This is at the resistance zone. PTL indicator was present, and we have the yellow arrow, then it did deliver. So your stop loss will just be few pips for a buy. It's going to be few pips below the previous low. This is the previous low for this particular pairs, just few pips below it. Then if it is a set signal, then few pips above the previous high, and then you write your trend. All depends on you. So this is how to use this particular strategy. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and this is for MT4. Now let's check other pairs. You can use it on any time frame you want to trade. The methodology still remain the same. So let's check it out on the other pairs. This is Euro USD. It's still the same principle. This is a buy signal generator here now. This buy signal generator here. We have all the indicators in agreement, and this is a sell zone. So let's check other pairs. This USD is Japanese yen. We have another sell signal generated, confirmed by the two indicators. Yeah. Then let's check other pairs. Before I show you all the indicators I use and the setting, this Great Britain pounds Japanese yen, the methodology remain the same, and Euro Australia dollar. So look out for a buy soon. So we have the arrow. The only thing we are waiting for at this particular zone is a PTL indicator. Then let's check it on the US 100. So we have a buy signal generated now, but something is still missing. We do not see the yellow arrow. The yellow arrow is not there yet. Please do not use only the yellow arrow to trade. As I said, it might recalculate, because once a support or resistance zone is broken, it will move to the next one, where we may likely have a retracement, pullback, or a reversal. And this is US 30, and this is a good confirmation for a buy on US 30. We have all the indicators in agreement at this particular point. And here again we have on gold, we have the two indicators in agreement, the ball and the yellow arrow at the support zone, and this did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple, Now let me show you the indicators I use for this MT4 winning forex trading strategy. So I have the high and low engulfing indicator, and these are the value. You might likely play with the value if you like, but this is what I use. So the yellow arrow, this is where you see it. If you don't want it to show the arrow, you can turn it off. So if you want the alert, it will show also. So this is where you change the colors and the settings for the support and the resistance zone. And the arrow indicator I use here are gold. Then the second indicator is the PTL indicator. So I turn the other color to none since I do not need it. And if you want to increase this ball, you can do that. And these are the inputs. The current time frame, slow length is 7 and fast length is 3. Make sure you set it up accordingly. And the last indicator is symbol changer that I do not need to show you how to use that. So this is how to use this particular strategy on MetaTrader 4, and make sure you use it on regulated forex broker. Make sure you check a news aggregator, forex news aggregator, or you can use anyone you know you have been using, any forex news aggregator. It is not compulsory you use the one I made mention of in this particular video. It's not necessary you use Forex Factory. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular MT4 forex winning strategy is in the video description. Make sure you download it. It is free. And do not forget that you check out all the forex pairs and trade any pairs that you have the two indicator confirming the trend before you go on. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Do not waste your time, your effort and money. Check them out. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. You can register with any of them, but check them out too if they are regulated in your area. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. And when you open with any forex brokers, make sure you try out your strategy on their demo account, either paid signal or free, paid strategy or free strategy, pay indicator or free indicators. Do not go live on any forex brokers without testing out their platform or testing your strategy. When you are consistent with your strategy or with your indicator, then you can go live after you've mastered your strategy on their demo account. I'll say it again, make sure you register on regulated forex broker. Make sure the broker you want to use or you are using, they are registered and regulated in your area. Check Forex Factory to see if there's no any news that will affect your analysis. Till I come your way again, make sure you keep on trading on regulated forex broker. Practice and practice again. Bye for now.